Just got this SB4 V1, I mean V2, hooked up.
Check out my official Jacob Vile merch at Teespring. Link in the description. Thank you for the support.
Got it on. I'm waiting on my other three. I got a huge fourth order build. 2 sound cubes. Strapped it to them. This is a dual 1. So dual 2. So it's actually one on my amp. 4 rods. But just wanted to see how this was flexing on it. So let's see. I'm going to play some Coca-Cola. Just hold it down. That thing flexes though. Can you hold it for a second? We'll do one more little clip so people can see it. Right here. Alright, enough fun. It's gonna see eventually 2 to 3K per sub. I'll post videos on my YouTube channel.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.